That's the one? Okay, let's go now. Ayan na. Look at me. He smile. Very good. Where's the smile? Where's the kisses? Gisog ang naong, oh. Uy, ba't parang pula ako dito? Anong nangyari? Ayan. Kung para kang si Jeda dyan, Kol. Tinan mo. Si Jeda, si Yori, nagka-pares-pares na kayo ng mga mukha.
Powerpuff Girls.
Kilala niya si Jeda? Kita na ba sila?
Granny's Bake Shop is over here.
No.
Yeah, it's been there for a few months ago, babe. And I wonder why there's so many customers there every day.
So that's a good name, a good brand.
Yeah, it's a good brand, but I think their food is all about pastry, right?
Yeah, pastries and
Every time I go out, there's so many a big line up there. Put icon?
No.
Oh no. Say hi, baby Anna. My baby pretty. Is my baby pretty? Pretty yawn. It's okay. Oh no. It's raining. Cannot see. Or mami ang tayo. Ay, nangungulangaw tayo. Yan, hindi yan matutuyo, anak. Ay. Mag-ano muna ako mag-tour ng aking mga halaman dito. Ngayon lang kami nakabalik. May bunga na naman yung aking. Oh, ang dami na namang lilinisan. Oh, nabuhay na naman yung ano ko, mga sagbot. Look at this. Look at this. Mayroon siyang 3 bunga. Ay. Hello, pwede na tumal... Ay, yung lalaki na. Pwede na siyang ma-harvest. Tsaka ito. And then the other one. Oh. Tapos yung ating kukunti lang. Tingnan mo to.
What are the bottles for?
What?
The bottles you have in the ground.
Oh, that's swamp fertilizer.
Oh,
Kitchen,
fertilizer.
yeah, it's like
What do I do with the bottle?
kitchen waste. Like a banana peel,
Okay.
everything, eggshell. So I put it there as a fertilizer.
Okay, you didn't give me no instructions.
Sorry, it's okay. But this one is ready to harvest.
Okay, I saw that.
Yeah,
I
you can
didn't
have
wanna
that
touch it
for
yet, But
dinner.
I'm like, what is these bottles for? I say, do you water it with the bottle?
Kain tayo chocolate.
It's your corroborative and the security guard either by a Robert vehicle. This happened last month. It was captured on Zoom police video. So began with a careful. Ran off again. But that woman then stole 2 gold chains from around his neck and jumped into that complex. The security guard stepped in to try and stop him, but the driver just kept on going, driving over the security guard's leg. He suffered serious.
It is so amazing.
Sige na. Kain na tayo. Gusto ko almond. Almond fry ko. Yes na.
Ito, almond.
Teka, almond nga to.
Yeah, you think I want to come back to this hellhole? Not what I want. I need to see my grandkids, get my car, get my money, get my police report done, so I can fix my beach room and all that.
Parang
So
nasa
they came
butas.
here to sit here and celebrate with y'all. Sorry ass. I said, I don't understand why you like that. I'm gonna give up what I have now. I work hard.
You like that? Okay. Taste it.
Say you take care of me, but I'm here all by myself.
Good.
What if something happened to me?
Nakauwi na pala kami mga shots. Yung aming pansit na dala kanina, dinala namin pabalik. Kasi, ayaw man niya. Kasi siya lang mag-isa doon. Ang taba naman nun. I'm talking to myself, babe. Kukuloko. If I'm kukuloko, you are kukuloko too. So, let's do the tingi-tingi.
Kukuloko dance?
Mag-budgeting tayo mga shots. Ay, mahirap nang mapunta to sa ibang ano yung aking nakikita. Mga bayarin. Yung literal na dumaan lang sa'yo ang salapi. Naglalakad kami mga shots. At lakas ng ulan. Punta kami na. Ang iingay naman. Punta kami sa sa Pure Gold daw. Mag-grocery kami. Eh naglakad lang kami kasi nga malapit lang naman. Ay, sabi niya, ano tong nagsasalita to mag-isa? Alam mo na may vlogger kang kasama. Inisip niya siguro, ano po tong ingay-ingay dito? O, tingnan mo, basa na siya. Nilakad lang kami.
Bring the chocolate back, did you?
Oh yeah, I forgot that. Yeah, you don't even remind me, babe. I told you, that's why we have each other, just to remind me if I forgot something. Hi. Anyway, we will take a Grab on the way, right? We will take a Grab on the way. Yeah. So why would I bring that plastic bag? It's 4 o'clock now, right? It's 4 o'clock? I think so. Ay, ulan pa more. Naalala ko tong puno na to. Sa probinsya, lason yan. Pero dito kinakain yan. Pero yung iba lang naman yata. Ano ba tong taong to na binablock man yung aking view? Bahala na mabasa yung cellphone. Huwag natin basahin yung cellphone kasi kawawa naman tong cellphone na to. Baka masira pa. Wala tayong pang vlog. We're at Pure Gold now. Pure Gold daw. Babe, what's for dinner? The pancit? With rice? The pancit with rice?
Guys,
Yeah. You want the pancit on? Yeah, what do you feel like eating? Do you want some roast chicken?
From where?
From there. What walking street? No, not at walking street. Near, across. Yeah, but there's no way to find you unless you will going to order online. But then they will charge you more that. Cook it? Like what? You want chicken adobo? O yun, tinola?
Whichever is easy.
They're both easy. Because you're just going to eat. You're not even cook. You don't even cook. You just eat. So both easy.
Why? You're going to say
Why they're closed? Ah, I thought they're closed. Nagutom yung isa. Pati ako nagutom din.
5,000. Oh, right. I hope you have enough money.
Ha?
I hope you have enough money.
How much is your gas? How much is your gas? How much is it gonna be? What do you think? Out of our budget? 5.5? Yeah. 5.5 daw.
5,556.
I don't think so.
See if you can use a sponge.
Plastic babe or box? Box. Ay nako, yung ulan. Hindi na tumigil yung ulan. Busy pa naman yung mga tao. Anyway, tapos na kami mga chefs. Tapos na kami mag-grocery. Akala ko paglabas namin, gabi na. Maaga pa lang pala. Did you find a driver? Not yet? Holy moly. Where is our car? Where is our car?
The garage.
Wala mang car kami. Aming grocery, walang car. Ay nako. Waiting for and waiting. No driver yet? Oh my goodness.
Rain season is very difficult to get grabs. Right.
Call the driver. Our driver. You got it? Ang hirap ng walang sasakyan. Ay, naka. Anyway, one day. Babe, one day, di ba?
Cancel it.
Why? Why he cancel it?
Not me, he cancelled it.
For what reason? Ha?
I don't know.
Basta sama si kuya. Oh, wala nang tao eh. Ang palakas na naman yung ulan. Ang kalangitan, hindi na tumigil. Sisiw naman yung buhok ko. Ano nangyari dito sa buhok ko? Nauhaw na ako. Sasakyan. Ang hirap ng walang sasakyan. If we will take a tricycle, it will take two tricycle, babe.
Get it, wait for the tricycle, just wait lang.
Wait lang. Ayaw ko na sa earth.
He cancelled again.
Why? Nakadalawang grab na kami, laging kinakancel. Why? What's wrong with that? Next time we're not going to shop here. It's hard to get a grab. There's a new one. There's a new driver now.
Yeah. 10 minutes better. The other one was 14 minutes away.
Yeah, I hope he is not going to cancel it again.
Let's see, he's nearby only.
Nakainis kanina pa kami na mga shots. Umalis na lang yung mga kasama namin. Kami wala pang sasakyan. Yung driver namin tulog daw. Charot.
One stop first.
Sana all my driver. Sana all my car na hindi na kailangan mag-antay. Yun lang yung convenience pag may sarili kang car kasi mas madali. Sige lang, Lord. Mangarap lang muna kami ngayon. One day, we will make it happen. Babe, right? We will make it happen. Just say yes na lang.
Okay. Whatever.
Just say, I'm praying, babe. Just say yes. Yes, I do.
How come that Grab guy, he got a Grab? See, our Grab guy don't come over.
What do you mean?
He also booked a Grab, this 9025. That's
Then?
a Grab.
Yeah, that's a Grab.
So why our pretty Grab guys don't come over?
You have to wait, babe.
Who's talking?
I'm waiting. I have a lot of patience. You know that?
Yeah, right.
I waited you for so long.
Eh?
Really? You didn't wait for me? No. Yeah, I'm wrong. I didn't wait.
Obviously.
I didn't wait. It's just, it happened very quick. 1 week only. Your day off today, right? You know what's gonna happen later on?
What?
I have a project. Remember?
I'm not going to do any projects of yours. Hey,
Why?
I'm gonna have a beer and relax.
Oh, you don't even have beer
I have
tonight.
to go to Jungle John.
Do you have money?
No, you give me money.
So be good to me or else I won't give you money for your beer. Ay, naku. I already changed and now you started drinking. Huh? Hey, we're wasting our time here, babe. You know that?
7 minutes. You have to wait. So you were start walking in the rain.
Today is what, babe? Today is July 20?
21.
Today is July 21, 2025. And we're at Pure Gold Dao. One day, we don't need to wait. Right, babe? Because one day, we will have our own service. We will make it happen, babe. Are you in? Are you with me?
Yeah, always. No choice.
No, you still have choice, babe.
No.
If you want to, like what I always say, the door is open for you. Wide and open. That's your choice. So, either you stay or you leave. That's your choice. So, which one you choose?
Stay and come back tomorrow.
Rain, go away and come back tomorrow. Ay, nako.
Come on, make it one stop for heaven's sake.
You've been there before, aren't you? You've been there before.
Yeah, not like that.
Yeah, but it's almost that big.
Jesus Christ.
How many
Baby
kilo are you
elephant.
now? How many kilo are you now, babe?
Just like a baby elephant.
Uy, be good. Be nice to water. Bastos
What
ka.
nice.
Be
She
nice.
let herself go. That's why I said no more Jollibee. You don't understand. That's what happened to Jollibee. Jollibee, KFC,
Babe, it happens only
McDonald's.
if you will have that every day, everyday junk. You will get big. But then again, if you're
Eat,
active,
sleep, lazy.
but if you're active, you will not get that big.
Yeah, tell that to her, huh?
And you? You see? See?
Yeah.
Babe, you have bill now, babe.